Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about using Cursor AI, the new AI-powered code editor. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use Cursor to write and manage your code. Let's get started. First, go to the Cursor AI website and download the software. It's completely free to start, and there are paid tiers, but you can stick to the free version. In Cursor AI, there are 3 pricing tiers: free, $20 per month, and $40 per month. The free tier gives you basic access to the AI-powered code editor. This is perfect for trying out the software and seeing if it meets your needs. It includes core features like code completion, syntax highlighting, and the ability to ask questions about your code. The free tier is great for beginners or those just testing the platform. The $20 per month tier offers more advanced features. It includes everything in the free tier plus faster AI responses, more frequent code suggestions, and the ability to manage larger projects. This is ideal for developers who need more efficiency in their workflow and want a more powerful tool for daily coding tasks. The $40 per month tier is designed for serious developers or teams working on larger scale projects. In addition to all the features of the previous tiers, this plan offers enhanced AI capabilities, better collaboration tools, and more extensive project management options. It's the best option if you want the most out of Cursor AI for complex or professional development environments. For beginners, the free tier is usually more than enough to get started, and you can always upgrade if you need more features as you grow with the software. Now, after downloading the software, open the app and sign up for a free account. Once you've done that, the setup process will ask you a few simple questions and then you'll be ready to go. When you first open Cursor, you'll see your coding project screen. If you've never written a line of code before, don't worry, I'll walk you through it. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the file structure of your project. In this tutorial, we're working with a basic JavaScript file called index.js. This is where we will be writing our code. If you don't know what a file does, Cursor AI has a great feature that lets you ask questions directly about the code. You can highlight any piece of code and press Command plus L or Control plus L to ask Cursor what the code is doing. This is super useful for beginners because it explains the code step by step. Let's highlight a section of our code and ask, what does this function do? You'll see Cursor respond with a simple explanation. One of the coolest features of Cursor AI is that you can also generate new code with simple instructions. For example, let's say you want to add a new button to your web page that says Subscribe. Highlight the area where you want the button, press Command plus K or Control plus K, and then tell Cursor to create a button with the text Subscribe. Cursor will write the code for you. You just need to review and accept the changes and the new code will appear. Cursor AI also supports creating larger projects with multiple files. You can chat with Cursor to work on multiple files at once, which makes it a great tool for managing more complex applications. This was just a basic introduction to using Cursor AI. With more practice, you can use it to build much larger applications. If you're new to coding, Cursor AI can help you learn faster by providing feedback and generating code on demand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.